Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove email account from your Android device. So if you have multiple accounts and you are not using it, you want to remove those accounts from your device, I will show you how to do this. So for this, first of all, just go to your phone settings, and in settings, either you can search for this Google account and you can see these options. You can also see delete your Google account as well. And what else you can do, if you scroll down, you will see this option accounts here. It's the same in every mobile. Now from here you can see these accounts. I just want to remove this third one, so I'm going to tap on this third one, and now you can see simple this option remove account. So if you tap on this remove account, your account will be removed, but the condition is you have to make sure that if you log in your account with on someone else mobile and you didn't on your synchronization, so your all contacts will be moved, your Gmail account, your everything will be sent to those devices you logged in your Google account. So you just have to make sure you also delete all these things here, and then you can just tap on this remove account. So that's it for this video. That's how you can remove any email account from Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.